master those difficult, intricate cuts, increase your blade life, and improve your cutting with Sawblade.com's industrial aftermarket guide upgrade kits. I'm product specialist Celeste, and this is the top-of-the-line General 20 and 24 bandsaw guide upgrade kit. We engineered this guide kit to minimize problematic vibration and reduce damaging heat caused by friction, resulting in this economical, easy-to-install add-on that will produce more power and give better results than the competition. This rugged and durable kit offers a drastic improvement compared to factory blade guides, and it's perfect for general woodwork and resawing. Our guide blocks are composed of solid, high-grade aluminum and utilizes performance-sealed ball bearings. Our triple bearing design dramatically enhances the accuracy and overall performance of your machine by supporting the blade with 2 front bearings and a single rear thrust bearing. The front bearings support the blade on either side and can be adjusted for pinpoint accuracy to decrease horizontal blade walk. The rear thrust bearing is designed to roll with the blade to reduce friction and blade walk under feeding force. All 3 bearings are fully adjustable to allow for unmatched accuracy in a variety of band widths. This heavy-duty kit is adjustable for blades ranging from 1/4 inch to 1.5 inch and comes complete with the proper mounting hardware, lower and upper machined guide blocks, and precision bearings. Sawblade.com is your one-stop shop for all your aftermarket needs. We have an extensive inventory of parts such as wheels, pulleys, tension springs, and much more. To further assist you in enhancing your cutting performance, check out our quality American-made bandsaw blades. Our blades are made to order in any length, width, or tooth set. And because we don't have distributors or outside salesmen, you get factory direct pricing. We take pride in our work and stand behind our blades with a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. You can shop with confidence knowing that you're getting the best deal. Thanks for watching, and for more informational videos, product overviews, and tech tips, please check out Sawblade.tv. I'm Celeste, product specialist with Sawblade.com, and remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem. Go direct.